boy Original back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over how to earn Bitcoin every day, no matter the size of your investment, no matter what the market is doing. I'm about to share how to earn Bitcoin every single day. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World Now. The website I'm about to share with y'all, you can earn Bitcoin every single day, no matter the size of your investment. And I'm about to teach y'all exactly how to do this. Now, in order to earn Bitcoin every single day, no matter the size of your investment, no matter what the market is doing, you have to join Bankroll Flow, right? This platform is invitation only, so please check the description because I'm formally inviting you to Bankroll Flow. Now, how Bankroll Flow works is how a modern bank works today, right? You deposit your money into a bank, right? That's your deposit. When you deposit money into a big bank, you may not know, but banks take your money and they trade it. They offer people loans, and they have a whole ecosystem in American banks where they charge interest rates, they charge transaction fees, they charge late fees. This gives the bank money and liquidity, and when you make deposits, they can offer out loans at a higher exchange rate, so they make money. This gives the bank liquidity. This gives the bank money, right? Thing about Banker X is once you deposit money onto Banker X, you support the minting and mining of the Banker X ecosystem, right? If you are a player and you make deposits, right, you will earn 1% on whatever you deposit on Banker. For example, I got $1,000 in this account. If we look at my available balance, right, I roll every morning. Now, when you roll, that's basically reinvesting back into the principal deposit, right? And the higher your principal deposit is, that's how much you will get paid out, because you get paid out 1% of whatever your deposit is. So if I was to have $10,000 here, I would be getting $100 per day, right? And the thing about Bankroll Flow, what makes this platform so powerful is that you can compound your interest. Whatever you make out, you have the choice to either claim it, which means withdraw it, or you can roll it, which means to reinvest it. So you had the option to do that, and you get paid out 1% for 365 days, right? Every time you reinvest, that basically resets your 365 days, because your deposits and your max payout will increase. Anytime you just do a claim or cash out the money, it'll just say claim. Your max payout won't increase. But let's say if I didn't reinvest any of the money and I just claim, cashed out all the money, I would get paid out $5,000, right? It's saying that my max payout right now is $5,000. And that's if I just let this tick. I didn't do anything but claim. I just let this build up, right? And I just claimed away. But I made other videos about Bankroll Flow, and I showed y'all how I roll every morning. Every morning I roll all of the money I made. So I just made, like last night, I think it was like $17. So I rolled all of that on another video. But on this video, I'm about to show y'all how to fund your Bankroll Flow. Now, first thing you gotta do is buy Bitcoin, right? You buy Bitcoin, and you can buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. I normally buy my Bitcoin on Coinbase. Then you have to send your Bitcoin, right? You can send and receive Bitcoin. You have to send your Bitcoin to what's called an atomic wallet, right? I already did this process. I sent it to the atomic wallet, right? You click on Bitcoin, you can get your Bitcoin address from the atomic wallet, right? After the Bitcoin appears here, you have to click on the exchange tab and exchange the Bitcoin for TRX, which is Tron, right? Bankroll is on the Tron blockchain. It's on the Tron network. So you have to buy Bitcoin and exchange it for Tron to participate in the Bankroll network. Now, before you can make a deposit, you have to enter in my invite code. I have a link in the description. You have to enter in the invite code, and you have to download what's called a Tron link, right? Once you download the Tron link, you have to set it up. You have to build a wallet. It's gonna give you a private key that you have to write down. And once you in here, you have a wallet, right? You can create as many wallets as you want. But for this platform, I just recommend creating 1 or 2 wallets. You can refer yourself, have the other wallet collecting rewards under that, because you do receive rewards from your referrals, right? It's an ecosystem, an invite only platform, right? So we're gonna send some TRX over to my Tron link to invest in Bankroll Flow. We're gonna put $440 more in here. So when I go to my wallet, I go down to I go down to Tron TRX. We're gonna send, and here I get on. This is called Tron Link. You need this on Google Chrome. You have to be on Google Chrome on your Android or iPhone. I will make a video about how to access this from the iPhone in the coming days. So basically, you just click on receive, copy, or you copy the link, you paste it here, then you send all the Tron. Tron move pretty fast. It say it's a success. We go back to Tron link, refresh. You see the money is already there, right? Now on Bankroll Flow, when you want to make a new deposit into your account, right? You just go to Bankroll Flow, make sure the Tron link is connected. You click on Get Banker, right? This will take you to Swap X, where you can swap Tron for Banker. So we're going to get 15,100, and that's going to give us 564 Banker, right? So we're going to buy that. Make sure the swap is enabled. Accept transaction. We should see the Banker increase. Saw the Banker increase right there. So I really like Bankroll Flow. I really like the user interface of this platform, right? Then we go back to Flow, and then we got our Banker X right here. Then you say 565. Make sure deposits is enabled. Accept the signature. Now we got 1,500 in active deposits. Our max payout is $7,000, right? And anytime you make a new deposit, anything that was available is automatically reinvested, right? So if you want to make a new deposit, if you want to claim your available balance, right, do that before you make a new deposit, because if you make a new deposit, it will roll your available balance with the deposit. So just letting y'all know. But this is the future. This is blockchain technology. This Bankroll Flow is a high yield certificate of deposit. It pays you out 1% on whatever you put in here. You can put in $100,000. You will receive $1,000 the very next day. It's a lot of different ways you can approach this. If you have a savings account, you can deposit your savings account, take out a loan. You could, risk $100, risk $200. You could do whatever you want. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing y'all this new opportunity, right? And just to give y'all game on the power of compound interest, right? Say if you invested $1,000 at the rate of 1%, you get a daily interest of 1% per day for the length of 365 days, which is the length of the contract, and will lift each deposit on the contract. And let's say if you reinvested 100% of that, right? By this time next year, that is going to be $37,000, right? $37,000, and you're going to be getting paid out $370 per day, right? Y'all gotta understand this is powerful, right? And a lot of people are joining Bankroll Flow right now. They're getting a good position, because once the world finds out about this, once everybody learns about Banker X, and they learn that you can make 1%, and they see the platform is stable, everything, right? More people are gonna join this platform. You can see if we go down, it's currently 30,000 people in the total liquidity of Banker or Bankroll Flow. The total lock value is 19 million, and that's only with 30,000 people. You know, a small city, you know, a concert of people. 19 million. You know, imagine when the world finds out about this. So it's gonna be big, y'all. I'm just putting y'all up on game early. I'm already invested in, you know. So yeah, there's something to look at, and definitely when it comes to compounding your interest, you know, the principal can grow. Let's say you grow to 37. Hold on. Once you go to 37,000, then let's say if you reinvest, you only, the next year, we're gonna say 365, but you only reinvest 50%, right? Your principal grow to 200,000. Or you would have cashed out 100,000 over the next year, all off of $30,000, man, $37,000. The power of compound interest gets crazy, man. So compound. This is it, man. You know, and y'all gotta understand, like, flow will never drain, bro. Like, this contract will never stop, man. It's gonna be mining and minting Banker X tokens, you know, for years to come. So just letting y'all know, I'm just putting y'all hip on game. Y'all can earn some money through Bitcoin. So that's my video for today. Hope y'all found it helpful. Hope y'all learned something new. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.